Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Randy Saves, and welcome to another video that is part of the video series From Couponing to the Table. So if you've seen my videos recently, you know that I got these Dole pineapples for buy one get one free. And I used coupons and it came out really cheap at Publix. However, I know not everybody has a Publix, so there is still the 75 cents off a 2 manufacturer coupon that you can use at any of your grocery stores that accept coupons, so it will make it a little bit cheaper if you were not able to combine the sale as well. So the recipe that I'm going to do today is called 2-ingredient angel food cake. So it's really straightforward. It's 2 ingredients. All you need is the crushed pineapple. This is the 20 ounce, and you need a box of angel food cake mix. I decided to get Duncan Hines. You can get Betty Crocker or any other brand that you prefer. So it's very straightforward. The 2 ingredients, just put it in the oven and then it's done. So let's go ahead and get started. You just put it in a pan. I decided to use a 9 by 13. The original recipe calls for a tub pan. However, when I was reading the reviews, it was saying that whenever you were taking it out of the pan, it will fall or break. So I decided to go the safe route, the easy route, no complications, 9 by 13. So you have to preheat the oven for 350 and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes depending on the cake mix. My Duncan Hines said that it was 38 to 48 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it for 35 minutes and cook it longer depending on how it is. So let's go ahead and bake it. So it's out and it's cooled, so I put it 350 and then I put it for 35 minutes and it was done after that. So like I said, it just depends on the time that the box that you get says. So mine said 38 to 48, so yeah, just according to that. So if you saw, if you've been following my series, you might have seen that I did a strawberry jam / syrup. So I still have some of that. So what I'm gonna do is top it off, top this cake off with some of that syrup, and hopefully it's delicious.